Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make the classic banana bread. This bread recipe, it's so juicy, so yummy. So stick around, I'll show you how. So for this recipe, I'm going to be making for 2 batches. You need about 8 ripe bananas, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, a cup of brown sugar, sorry, pardon me, 2 large eggs. That is 1/4 cup of melted butter. And then we need salt. For me, I used 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And those are crushed nuts. You can use walnuts, you can use almonds, any kind of nuts you like, but those are crushed mixed nuts. So go ahead and peel your bananas. Also, you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This is gonna be so yummy. And for my recipe, you can take this out, but for this recipe, I added cinnamon because I just wanted a little more flavor, you know. Go ahead, mash your bananas. It doesn't have to be pretty. So if you're still looking for recipes, I have down below my recipe for chocolate chip banana bread. If you want to try that, go ahead. So go ahead, mash up your bananas like so. And then we'll be pouring in our melted butter. And then go ahead, pour in your sugar. For this recipe, I'm using just brown sugar. You can do half and half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, but I decided to use all brown sugar. Stir it all up like so. And then go ahead and break your eggs. We're breaking our 2 large eggs. Like I said, this recipe is for 2 batches, so you can divide this recipe if you're just doing one for 1 baking pan. And go ahead and give it a good stir. And then we're going to be putting in our vanilla extract. Just keep giving it a good stir. And then right away, we are going to be putting in our flour. Put in your baking soda and your salt Don't overwork it, guys. And then this is a good time to put in your nuts. Walnuts, almond nuts, cashew, whatever nut you're comfortable with. This is the best time to add them in. Go ahead, oil your pan, butter your pan, and then we're going to be baking this for 60 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Already your oven is preheated. And there you go, guys. That is our juicy, soft and moist banana bread. Enjoy this with your family and let me know how it went. Thank you for watching. Share this video, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next video. Bye.